Hello everyone, welcome to the TinyHoopers channel, the channel where I talk about my basketball games, TinyHoopers. Talk about my game, share information about my game, and occasionally I work on my game. It's not always when during streaming I can actually work and be efficient development-wise. But today I will work a little bit more on it actually, because I'm wrapping up the next update. And the next update is the version 0.42.0, which has many different new features actually, and which I will go through today. I will go through those. I will finalize some of them, especially 1v1. I will show you different things, and the idea is to I think it should be possible for me. So would I be able to wrap it up during the stream? Probably not, because then I need to share the version with internal testers, but I'll probably be able to submit the version to Apple and Google for review, so that early access users can actually play the game. Meaning like the new version. So before that, hope everybody's good. Here it's fine, it's not raining, it's good. Tokyo, it's 7:30 in the morning. It's pretty, it looks like it's not too hot, so it's great. It's a little bit windy. So good condition for streaming. Perfect condition for streaming. And I like it. If it's too hot, it's more complicated. It's tough. So yeah, so today finalizing the version, the new update, the next update 0.42. Hope you're gonna like it. I fixed many bugs, not everything, but many of them. And I also improve, I think, for what I think it's a way better version, the 1v1. Hope you're gonna like it. Maybe it's actually too challenging now. So let me, yeah, okay. So, and one other thing is that important, yeah, for me, I guess a little bit, and I think I did mention that in the previous stream. I migrated my project, TinyHoopers project, from Godot 4.4, Godot, which is the engine I'm using to make my game, to Godot 4.6. So the big difference for me, I didn't see everything yet, but one of the big differences, like I can play directly in the same window, in the same window as the editor. So anyway, so let's do this. I'm gonna go through pretty quickly, and then maybe I will pretty quickly as well try to and start to finish some modification I was doing on 1v1. But I'm gonna start with the training. So that's the new mode, training mode, which is a flexible training mode that I'm gonna use to give experience to players. It's not implemented, the experience point and everything is not implemented yet, but the system itself for training is there. So now I can have a very I can do any kind of training I want. It's pretty flexible and it's pretty cool. Right now I just added the layup ones, just to test and just for to have some feedbacks from you guys. But this system, training system, it's pretty cool. If I want, I can add floating training, shooting training, 3-point training, mid-range, dunk, for example. I can put as well like cones anywhere I want. So that's pretty cool. I like it. I will probably improve it at some point down the road, but I think it's good for what it is now. So yeah, so that's a quick preview of training. So one of the things as well is like 1v1. So 1v1, I improved the actual 1v1 against NPC. I changed the as well. I didn't show you that, but I did change the logging, not the logging, the dialogues system, because the buttons were not that great. It was a little bit clunky, I knew that, but so if I go talk to Poopy, for example, what do you want? So, and then you have the all the options that's showing up in the middle of the screen, and at the center of the screen. And it's way better like this. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep the button design like as it is right now. I may change it, but I wanted to try it. I just wanted to see how it looks. So let's see. Yeah, so that's one of the change. Okay. Thank you, Epoch. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. The process of development is really slow because I'm working on other stuff as well. I almost say unfortunately, but I have to. But it's definitely improving, for sure. So 1v1. So that's new as well. So this is the 1v1 rule settings that I added. So now you can, there's many things you can change. So now there's a possession time as well. You have a duration for the possession. So let me start from the beginning. So after a miss, you can whether allow the NPC or yourself to continue, meaning like after a rebound, you can just shoot right away after a miss. You don't need to clear the ball out, right? You don't need to go above the 3-point lines. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. So that's the continue one. Then you have clear the ball. So that was the system I had so far till now. So you had to get above the 3-point lines to be able to shoot again. Check. So it means like after a miss, then and some of us when we play 1v1 we use this rule as well. If we miss, then check. Okay, and the ball change hand. So you can do that. Make it ticket. So this one is like you score, you keep the ball. So yes or no. Okay. Point. So you can decide if you want to go with the 1 and 1 point for layups and mid-range shot, or and 2 points for 3 points, or you keep the same numbers as in the real game. Possession. So you can disable it, so no limit, or you can have 5-second possession or 10-second possession. I think it's enough. 20 seconds is not necessary for a game like this. And then you have the game duration. So you can put 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. So those are the change. So I'm going to put 30 seconds for this one. I'm going to do continue for this. Make it take it. No, not make it take it. 1 and 2. And let's go with that. Okay. And then it can shoot right away, as you can see. So, but it's my goal because the NPC scored right. Okay. My ball, yes. Yeah. The 1v1 kind of changed drastically. Let me try something. I just want to see. It's not, the NPC is not really aggressive yet, but that's okay. Oh, one of the things I added back the stamina bar or time up, but it's still showing 1 second over there, so I need to check what's going on. I added back the stamina bar during 1v1. So you don't have it during shoot around, but you have that for the 1v1. So I will have to adjust it at some point, I'm pretty sure. But I'm adding it back to prevent spamming and stuff like that. Makes more sense, I guess. So those are the main changes. Let me double check. So I did 1v1 rules, I had layup training, result screen. Yeah, so you have this screen, so it was not there initially. So maybe I should also post those kind of things. Discord, right? I'm gonna try again. So what did I do? I did environment ads, so yeah, well, something you may not like. But yeah, so it's for mobile. So it's just like it's not gonna be too much intrusive. It's gonna be on the walls. So I want to test that. So that's what I'm testing. So we'll see how it goes. Improve 1v1 against NPC. Yes, use the same camera. Yeah, change the camera. So that's basically it, actually. That and okay, so that was for the 1v1 rules. Yep. So I have to do it. Yeah. 30 seconds. Okay. I'm just gonna stop it. So, well, let me do a last one. So one thing I can do, so you can see this, so that's what I was talking about. So the, so maybe I should, yeah, I was checking something, the perfect, maybe I should lose more stamina when I do perfect. I don't know, but those are the things I'm gonna adjust at some little by little. Okay, all right, it's thinking now. So the rules is like you make it, if you make it, then it change hands. So yeah, I'm playing with my mouse. It's not great, so as you can see. So it is what it is. So yeah, so it didn't have to clear, as I mentioned, it didn't have to clear the ball. So go above the support lines to shoot back again, because I need to fix that over there. Because the menu, the settings was set to continue and not clear the ball. So all right. So that was for the change. So now I noticed something with the timer. The timer is stopping at 1 second and not 0. So let me check. I think I know what's going on, but causal opposition manager. Time up. And position. No, that's not this one, that's this one. Game over. Okay, so continue game. Play time inferior equal to 0. Well, that's fine, but okay, let me do this process. I want to see the timer actually. Update timer here, okay. And boom, boom, boom. Game over. Oh, okay, I see what's going on. So the issue is this, because I changed it. So timer update, okay, game over, and I'm gonna update the timer here. That's basically what it is. Yeah, should be fine because that's been reset by that time. Is that fine to do it like this? Time up, okay, timer update, game over. Just want to make sure. Oh, right. His ball is not in the air, you're right. So it's actually not necessarily that, but it's because I handle the buzzer beater actually. So that's the buzzer beater part. So I have to update it over here. Anyway, yes. And that should be fine. And here as well. No, because it's gonna update it over there, but it should be updated over here. Yes, I don't have to do that. So now I'm entering the... Because that's something I'm not really good at doing yet after 26, 23 streaming. Like walking and explaining and talking at the same time. I'm still not real comfortable with that. I'm doing my best. Should be fine actually like this, right? Yes, because if you go in there, yeah, okay, let's see. That's cool, I don't have to restart the game, because it's gonna take into account what I'm doing. Alright, checking fan challenge. My Spurs lost yesterday. I'm so depressed. San Antonio Spurs. Game 6 tomorrow. So one thing I noticed is like since I updated to Godot 4.6, it's like the font on my external screen are kind of like, you know, jagged or something. And if I drag this into my my laptop screen, Retina, so it's totally fine. So it looks like it's actually it's a new bug or something. So it's kind of pain in the neck, but so should I keep? Yeah, I'm gonna keep the position. I'm gonna leave it to 10. So it's 2 position actually. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm not gonna defend much because anyway I'm playing with the mouse, so it's not great, so... Okay. I probably need to update a little bit, not just a little bit, but the blocking part, how it works. Ah, I thought I got it. Ah. Yeah, well, playing with the keyboard is not great. Hey. Yeah, what you won? 0! Yay! But is that what I wanted to do? No, I want to try the other one actually. So I'm gonna try again. And I know which case I need to try. It's not that one. The one I want to try and test is the time reached 0, I think, yeah, and the ball is in the air. Yeah, okay, I don't think I could do that. I'm trying to find excuses. Oh yeah, I didn't jump, yes. Yes, finally. Okay. Very cool. So I need the ball. Otherwise... Ah, time up! But actually, yeah, it's fine, because the ball was in the air, it reached 0. So I think it's fine, actually. You know what? I declare this bug fixed. How lazy it is, right? No, I need to... what I'm gonna do... I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna disable the possession. Like, no limit. I'm gonna keep the ball. And I'm gonna wait. Thank you, I have the ball, and oh, to be careful. Yeah, just gonna wait till the last minute. Till so that I can take the last shot and see how it works. Oh, it's almost there. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah. That's all it was. That's all what it was. Yes. Okay. So, what's the difference? I changed that. Okay. All right. Good. Okay, so I fixed that one. All right, so this one is just a new. Yeah, I didn't update that one yet. So now I want to focus on. But actually, I could play it actually, and the way he blocked and sometimes didn't block was cool. So that's the new system for the blocking and the history. But I'm not a big fan of the way it's handled, but I have a state history right now, okay? I added a state history, meaning that I keep track of action by the NPC and by the player. So meaning what? Meaning that depending on how the player pump fake, for example, the frequency, for example, then, so that's what I want to show, right? Then the NPC won't react the same actually. Blocking start. If start shot, if current PF average. PF, it's always total PF, total pump fake. Yeah, I didn't do any pump fake, so makes sense. I'll leave that like this. I think there's no reason for me to overthink. I will leave that system the way it is. I have the history of the state history, that now any action by the NPC like for example defense, clear the ball, steal, block attempt, close up, extra. So I can use the history and it's gonna be done internally. I can use the history of what the way the player is playing, so that I can the action can adapt to it. So for blocking, for example, if the player is doing every time when he's shooting before shooting, he's doing a pump fake, then I keep track of like the state of the player. So if I do a pump fake and I shoot, then pump fake and I shoot the next time again, then I'm logging everything. Okay, but in a simple way. And the NPC, when he's gonna check when he's gonna reach the block attempt action, and he's gonna have to decide, okay, should he block or not? Should he attempt to block or not? Then his decision is gonna be based on the history of the shooting profile of the opposing player. And depending on that, see if you notice, for example, it's doing pump fake like every time or something, then it will be more hesitant to block. It's gonna recognize pattern. So I don't think the system is perfect yet, definitely not. The start, it's okay, because I think, what did I put for the start? So 1.0, yeah, it's pretty aggressive. But at the same time, I didn't try by putting, for example, less than that. But it's okay, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Yeah, it's okay. So I think that's for a layup icon stays after a dunk. I think I fixed that. No? Let me check. It's totally different. I'm gonna check that after that. So, in any case, the current system now it's way better than it was. Not the current, but the new system. So I have state history tracking, logging, which the NPC can use to figure out what to do. It's not perfect yet, but like nothing is. Nothing is really. But it's good enough for probably that version. It's way better than what it was before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save. I'm not gonna synchronize to with Git right now. I'm gonna commit my changes. Added. Do you see? Oh yeah, I can't. Doesn't work like that. Well, that's fine. Added a action tracking. Added an action. No, state logs for each hoopers. Okay, should be fine. Alright, so that part is done. So now I want to quickly check. So jab, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's fine. So what was that? A layup icon stays after a dunk. I'm not sure about that. So one thing I'm gonna double check quickly also is I think I can do that because it's hiding every name. I'm gonna quickly check the it happened again, NPC not rebounding. Okay, when I'm in the shooting motion, the NPC steals my ball, but my meter continues to slide and slide out of the bar. And the bar not disappear, and I'm unable to, I don't know if it links together. Okay, do you have a way to produce it? Okay. So during one round, sometimes the PC is invisible. Okay, this one I can't reproduce, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to put that on one side. Oh! Invalid access to property chess anchor on a base object type new. Whoa, look at that! So it did try to make a pass to me actually. Why is that? I mean, shoot around. Why did he try to do that? So you know what? He passed the ball to me, right? And why? That's interesting. State. Pass state, GD, blah 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 blah. Let's go there. Okay, first of all, do I have a way to track back what happened? So he tried to pass the ball, I understand, but he shouldn't have, because he is in shoot around. Hooper pass state GD. Okay, I'm gonna write it down anyway. After 1v1. After 1v1, the NPC back to shoot around. Let me see, attempt. To pass. I'm gonna try to reproduce that right now, actually. It shouldn't be that complicated. Depends. And one thing I want to check is versus when I clean up everything. Oh, I clean up here. Okay, well, why not? Stop defense, okay. Stop AI profile. That may be something, and he's passing the ball because he's thinking he need to. Okay. So I'm not stopping the profile. I think that's an issue. Let me do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the ball, and what should I do? I'm gonna try to, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna protect the ball. I'm gonna score, but I'm gonna do that at the last minute. I'm gonna wait. shouldn't miss. Oh. Of course. Well, that's fine. Now I'm gonna exit and just see how it reacts anyway. He's shooting. Okay, he's gonna get his ball. What is he gonna do? Okay, so I'm gonna try something else. Okay, I can't talk to him because he's gonna leave and exit the gym. Actually, I see. A new NPC maybe? No. So he forced me to restart everything. Okay, all right, that's fine. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I will pump fake the NPC. I'm gonna wait till reach like probably like 2-3 seconds. Pump fake and shoot. Hopefully he's gonna go for it. Okay, 5, 3. Okay, good. That's not what I wanted actually. Time up. But maybe it's gonna be fine, let's see. No, he's shooting, he's not passing with the ball. Okay, I don't know what happened. So one thing for sure, clean up. Oh, I do. It's playable. Oh, okay. No, I do stop AI profile here. No, so that's not the issue. So okay. So I don't know. I wrote it down anyway after 1v1. Blah blah blah. So yeah, check the layup floater timing. Okay. During 1v1. So okay, I'm gonna put this bug on side, and if I manage to reproduce it, then we'll see at that time. That's all I can do for now. Ball stalled by NPC. Look like NPC keep the ball during fan challenge. Really? Let's see that. We're gonna do this one. It's not the best UI. While I'm at it. Yeah, and I will do this 0.5, 0.5, yeah. Tired of seeing it disappearing on the bottom. Should be fine now. Okay. So, NPC stole the ball. Let's see. So let me do something random, 3-point line or free throw line. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do this. I want to see if one of the NPCs is gonna get the ball. No, they're not getting the ball. So maybe it was on an old version, because I changed that. Or maybe it depends if they are in a hidden mode. Oh, that's possible. Let me try again and see. No, it's the same. While I'm at it, we'll do this drill. I want to change this time panel. Not versus. It's not versus. It's training. Timer. Oh wow! I just used that. Well, that's simple. Okay, and timer, right? Yeah, so I don't need this. I'm just gonna put this. And I just need to do that, right? Seems like so. But I should put a script into that. But I don't have to modify manually everything. That sucks. Yeah, that should be a script. Playmat training, yes. Timer reparents, doesn't matter. Yeah, so that's the one. It's running, so that's the one I should call, because it's just a play data. Yeah, I think it's... I'm just gonna do that for now. Fun challenge. Not fun challenge, it's drill mode. Okay, let's see. Not great. How come? This one should move as well. Total time, initial duration. Oh, right. Yeah, it's fine. What did I do? I broke everything. What the hell? I don't like that, but no worry. Okay. Okay, I think it's not something I intended to do, but why am I it? It was good thing to do and to change. Okay, so that's one is fine. Exited. So I don't know about the difficult to reproduce this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Frenzy as well. Because I think Frenzy is the same. Frenzy and 3-point as well. Yeah, it's the same. So I don't need this one anymore. Total time. Let's go. Well, you know what? Let's do. I think I'm pretty sure like 3 points is the same as well. Probably not the best, but I don't care. Let's put that over here. Should be fun. Okay. Alright, not bad. So I'm just cleaning up a couple of things, being like for the training, for the daily training, well, it's not really daily training right now, it's just a training mode. I changed the timer, and now I'm just adding the timer back to every other mode. I don't like this menu at all, it's really not good. I should probably change that, right? So I'm gonna start with this one. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm not supposed to do that. Invalid access of index 6 on the base object of type array. Is that really the issue? Let me start again. Oh, what a bad bug. So is it because I jumped? Play with friends. No. So I'm not gonna jump right away. Yeah, so it's probably because I jumped. So now I'm gonna jump after that. Yes. Well, at least I can reproduce that pretty easily. 247. So the timing works, so of course, not that difficult. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, change the timer visual for drill 3 points and frenzy. So we're gonna do that. Right, so that's done. Now I need to focus on the bug I just witnessed. So I'm gonna close everything except this one. And what is that? 247. But first of all, I should prevent the player to jump actually. So the issue is here. I'm unable. I'm jumping. Prepared ball. Okay. Index 6. Yeah, the thing is because I think when I jump, I think when I land, it's probably when I land. Is it? Ooh, so let me check. Landed, yeah. I knew it. So if the player won't jump, sure, I'm gonna let him do that. One thing I should be careful is like if I'm jumping, but I didn't short actually. So for example, what I can do is the following. But I don't have the ball actually. Okay. Okay, so what happens is like when I land, I have the live ball current rack, right? Yeah. So when I shoot, I don't have the ball in my hand anymore, but I have the live ball. It's in the air, so it's always gonna be in the air. So yeah, I have to prevent the jump. I have to prevent the jump. So So what I need to do is lock the control. But am I not doing that already? No, it's activated. Huh. What do you know? Okay. So how do I do that? Lock. Or pause maybe? I think it's pause. And resume, yes, so I'm gonna pause. That's what I'm gonna do. So go next rack, okay. Set up next ball, so go to next rack. So I'm gonna pause here. I'm gonna pause, and then once you arrive to the next rack, arrive on the next rack, I'm gonna resume. As simple as that. It should be fine. Let's see. It works, yay! Great. That's what I should have done anyway on the first place. I should... Red, oh, that's interesting. I didn't know I was doing that. Okay. Let me try something red, right? Three points contest. Good. I think. Okay, so fix a crash during 3-point contest when player was jumping dream. All right, now free throw issue seems flat. Yeah, I don't know about that. It does seem flat. Target rim offset plus target rim offset. Ooh, there's something weird over here. It doesn't look like it's something I did. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the previous. So I'm not gonna show that, but backup. So if I check, for example, the version of last year, and asset, hoopers, not asset, but script. I can show you that, I guess. State. Free throw release. That's the one I need. Look at this! What happened? Why did it change? Okay, so it's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be that. Kid you not. Oh. Oh, right. That part changed. It's probably when I modify. Global position. Oh, I see. So it should be this one actually. I guess. For global position, target remote global position. Yes, so that's when I change everything. Okay, makes sense. Yep, that's way better. Okay, great. I'm coming back quick. I need to go to the toilet. Alright, back. I feel lighter. Anyway. So I fixed that. What? Oh, right. So, oh, no, I don't understand. I changed that. Oh, okay, alright. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. I didn't. Okay, okay. All right. I thought I did it. Did I dream? Fix. I really thought I did. Oh, Okay, I put it over here, right? Fixed, yeah. Okay. I didn't, yeah. I thought I committed my my changes. Free throw with a flat arc. Okay. Sure. Alright, that's cool. What else? Sometime during one run, the PC stayed in the air. I need to reproduce that. I don't know. Layup icon stay after a dunk. I don't know about that. So I guess it has to be during shoot around. So usually what I do is like all the major issue, like critical bug, like crash, I check after an update. I do that right away. Unavailable, and I guess it's because I can't access the, yeah. So I do that, I add some features because I don't want to do just debugging. Then after that I go back to when I'm done with all the new features for the new version. I usually work on small bugs or bugs that are maybe a little bit sometimes like more easier to reproduce, and I can fix right away. I don't always do that right away. Don't know why. So one thing I want to check. Yeah, it's true. I'm wondering what kind of I'm trying to figure out a way to zoom. Now I'm stopping. I'm not even thinking about fixing bug right now. I'm wondering how I could have a special camera effect for when zooming, when dunking. Do I have a speed? Adjust speed. I think I have is dunking, right? Yes. So is dunk. I don't have his dunking or something. Is it up? Is blah 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 blah. Okay. Is dunk. Yeah. Okay. So what I want to do is dunk. Three is dunk. True. Okay. Bullshot arc. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that right now with this one. So is dunk, okay? It's shaking. I shouldn't do this one over there. I should probably... The shaking is fine. And by the way, do I... Yeah, I do the shaking, okay. But that's where I should... The viewport size is fine. Okay. Pass, and then I'm gonna do anything else. So attach hooper is done. So let's see. So what if I'm gonna frame it, frame dunk, just quickly. I'm not gonna try to think too much. Frame dunk, delta. I'm gonna put it to, for example, it's portrait, okay. Okay, peace. But I don't know why I'm doing that actually, because I could easily just, I don't have to do that. I have the function that is... I have this actually. So that's the one I should use. Portrait with animation. I don't know what the hell I did before. In any case, I think what I should do is... I'm gonna do it temporary for now. Okay, and the fourth, I'm gonna put it to 30. Yay! Let's see. Pass error. What is that? Oh. Good. That's what I wanted. Not like this, but that's fine. So now it's a question of I need to adjust the position as well. Right. So the position should be, I don't know which one it should be. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try anyway. I have nothing to lose. Okay. Sorry, it's obviously bad. Okay, but if I... What's the difference? It's really so. What did I do again? Again? Which doesn't change much. Okay. So, frame dunk. So the camera is targeting what? The X pose. Distance delta adjust with. The space. So position X minus the current position. So what I'm gonna do, that's weird. Okay. But it can't, because it can't. Oh, I see. I see. Because I'm already at the limits at the edge of the screen. I see. Okay, that's fine. Don't know what the heck, don't know. So the question is, like, if I do this, for example. Which one is that? Is that Z? I don't remember. What's the coordinate for Y? So it's Y, okay. how do I follow? Depend on V, on Z? Oh. I see. But that's not what I want. Do I? Is the lookout right? Okay, so that's the one I need to adjust. Which makes sense. Let's see. I'm having. Thank you, round 51. Yep. So many things I did. I did in the game. Now I'm walking. Now I'm trying. I'm having a little bit fun and walking on the camera for the dunk. As you can see, it's not great. Let's see. I see. Okay, let's try that. I don't think it's gonna be good. Yeah, of course not. Okay, start to walk seriously. So what I'm gonna do. I'm not even using it. I need to rework the camera. I mean, what the hell is that? Anyway. Distance, like, look at target. What the hell? Let's see. I don't need any, I don't care about this. Or do I? Just random stuff. Yeah, I don't care about this. Give me a sec. The position Y should be the same, right? I'm gonna do that like this. It's very dirty, but I don't care. And this one should be the same as well. If I'm not mistaken. Am I missing something? Look at what the issue is this? If I do that, it's not gonna look at the right one. Oh, what the? Because I changed everything with the... Okay, alright. Of course. So what I want to do is not that. What I want to do is this one. So right. I don't know why I took 3 hours before doing it. Why is this a jump? Let's not focus on that. What should focus on? Hey there. Hey Jasper, how are you? I'm working on the camera effect for when dunking. I'm just on the premise of something. So now I'm gonna add a transition to that. So the way I should do that is using the delta, I guess. I can do the twin, but with the twin, yeah, let's try with the twin. And what I should do actually is I should remove the twin once it's done, right? It's gonna kill itself. To be honest, I always wanted my icon to be added to Easter eggs or profile for short. Your icon? What do you mean by your icon? You always wanted to have your icon to be added to Easter. You mean your characters, your hooper? Maybe that's what you mean. Should I do it the way I'm doing everything so far? Probably. Probably. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. And we'll see. So, distance, space, there's no space, nobody cares about the space. 0.6, yeah, I don't need about this. I'm gonna do that. Initial speed, I don't care about initial speed. I'm gonna... dunk speed, I don't care. It's just a test, anyway. But I think I'm gonna put 5. No. Just 1. Maybe 1.5. So it's kind of elastic, so maybe I should put 5.5. And I should do the same for this one. But attach position. I'm really going random right now. Okay, sure. I think I don't even need to, yeah. Let's see what it does. Oh no, not that. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do, it's not this one, I'm gonna keep the X. Just wanna see. Yeah. And X over there, yes. Oh, that's not great. Distance with the position. Yeah. Just to make sure. I don't know if that's the right approach actually to do stuff like that. No, it is, because you don't want to create the twin. Is that fine to do a twin for that? I think it's fine, so maybe I need to create a twin. Yeah, maybe it's better if I do that with the twin. So, what I'm gonna do, dunk twin. And So direct twin, twin, object. So the object itself. Position X. How fast? It's final version. It's final position, right? So the final position is attach. We should do that in, I don't know, in 3. No transition, we'll see that later. 4 as well. It's gonna be in parallel. How do I do that with local variable? I don't remember. Do I have access to the... where it's looking right now? No, okay. So I'm not gonna do anything. I don't care about this. I need the lookout actually. So actually this one is gonna be like this. Because I'm modifying it earlier. Yeah, but the lookout is not gonna be great. So what I need to do is, can I change the lookout? No, I can't change the lookout. Ah! Can I do that? If I want to twin the lookout, for example. Interpolate, I can do this kind of stuff. Yeah, I know it doesn't return anything, so rotation, yeah, I have to do the rotation by myself. This would run fine. Interpolate properties. What interpolate properties, really? By the way. Interpolate value, so that's the one I wanted to use for. Can be used for manual interpolation of a value. You don't when you don't want Twin to do animation for you. It's similar to blah 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 blah. Okay, sure. But this one is not gonna be good. So in any case, so what I should do is not that. So what I should do is like yes. I should do it initially. Vector pros, because I'm modifying it anyway, so that's one, it should be fine. And this one should be fine as well if I'm doing it correctly. So for example, yeah, that's not great. But it's not the position, it's just the pose, right? So this one should be, for example, frame duck should be called only once, yeah. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, 4 as well, and I should do this one as well. Delta is not used, but I don't need it. And for this one, it should be obviously, yes, fair enough for this. And this one should be not that, but don't pause. How about you? What's going on? Oh yeah, I know. I don't worry about that. Giving a stupid name, doesn't matter. So that if not framing, then setup frame dunk, and I'm gonna put nothing. Okay, you want something? I'm gonna give you something. So there you go. And then framing, it's false. I'm gonna put true over there. Okay, frame dunk should be called anyway. Yes, so let's try this. I have no idea what the hell I did. What did I do? Method twin property on a null value. Okay, sure, why not? Start it. Self position. What's the problem with that? Twin property. Yeah, okay. What? Can call method twin property on a null value. Yeah, okay, okay, I agree. So you can call it on this, right? That's fine. But I did that. Okay, alright. That's kind of stupid anyway. It's obvious that I should do it here. And then it doesn't have to be here, right? Okay, fair enough. Sometimes when I try stuff, it's like it's really dirty. It's like just coding whatever I have to make it work, and then I clean it up. Especially for something as random as this one, where I didn't plan initially to do it. Okay, that's fine. So what I'm gonna do is just focus on, for example, this one, okay? Meaning that pose is this position.x. Yeah, but it should be attached, right? It shouldn't be pos actually. This one is a mistake, I believe. So let's create another one as well, okay? No, it doesn't exist. So this one is a simple, it's just that actually. What the hell? Right. So should be this, if I'm not mistaken. So by doing this, it should be what did I do? Oh, Fred. So okay. So I just animated the fur, right? There's just one problem. One problem. Okay, so now I saw the issue. So just took my ball. And I thought, oh, there's too many things to fix at the same time. Let me just double check quick. NPC manager 000. It was 0, but it managed to take it. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check that later. Not now. I'm not gonna do two things at the same time. Yes, it will be hello Pelican Bowling. Yeah, it will be on Android as well. You can actually download it already as an early access on Android. If you go on TinyHoopers.com, if you go there, you can download the game. My old camera sucks actually. I don't like it at all. I should use more twinning and it's fine, like, but and why this hooper is following me every time? And why it's zooming like this? Doesn't make sense. Why is going from whatever value to target for if I don't do this one, for example? Oh. And why is that? Oh, because I have this. Yeah, well, that's weird. That's not how I set it up. That's not... attach hooper dot position x. Oh, okay. Yes, the issue is also because I didn't. Yeah, because I'm not doing the. What? Okay, let me start again just to make sure it's taking into account my changes. What the hell did I do? Is that because I'm not doing, if I do that, for example? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah, which makes sense, a little bit. If I'm not zooming, then yeah, okay. I see. Yeah, it's a I can't see it actually. But I can't modify. If I do that, it's not gonna be good. I can try. Let me try. So I know I didn't put the plus, but that's fine. Yeah. Because I don't modify it after that. Yeah. The camera stays where it is. That's the thing. I need to change all my camera, I think. It's not good. And because I'm still using an old version, not an old version, but the one I set up initially, like long time ago, it's actually preventing me to do whatever I want now. So I need to resync the camera. For this one it's not a problem, but yeah. Oh yeah, that's why, and because of that as well. But this one, yeah, not great. I need to change the camera. Now, if I want to do more complex things, then the one I have is not. That kind of reaches its limit. Yep. Okay, so forget about the last minute treat. Last minute fun effect inclusion. I'm gonna forget about this. Well, it's good to do that sometimes, but it's not gonna bring me anywhere. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it leads to a good surprise, but again, so it doesn't even take into account my moves. Oh, right. Yes, but then it's kind of flat, but that's fine for now. I'm not gonna start working on the camera now. I wanted to do like a quick, like 30 minutes. I think it was 30 minutes or so. I did a try, but which I kind of knew that because I saw that as soon as I want to make something more complicated, it sucks. So I'm gonna refactor the camera. Not now, it's not a priority, but I will refactor it so that I can do more fun stuff with it. Right now, it kind of limits me. Alright, so the version beside that, the version looks okay. The version looks okay. During 1v1, sometimes the NPC is invisible. Okay, so there is one thing. The NPC is taking the ball. What the hell is that? Yeah, it's okay. It's just a refactoring thing. Refactor. Yes. Yeah, so the NPC was taking the ball, so I saw it. I can't drop the ball now, so how can I do that? Yeah. I saw it, and I think it happens not all the time, but if the ball is really close and it kind of like reach like 0 or whatever distance, then the character is taking the ball. So what I should do is not that. What I should do is like if both are 0, if the magnet is 0, then I should definitely prevent the NPC to get the ball. So it shouldn't be complicated, I think. So I think it's check ball proximity, this one, right? And I'm doing it with distance to ball. Check ball proximity. Can I track the ball? Blah 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 blah. All this bullshit. But if it's 0, and 0 shouldn't take the ball at all. Right? So I'm gonna do it for auto magnet distance and manual distance. So yes. So those are the manual magnet and auto magnet. Auto magnet distance and manual magnet distance. Okay. If it's 0 and 0, if both, I guess. Boy, my function sucks. How can I give the ball? Would be cool if I could drag and drop an NPC wherever I want, just to test stuff. Hey, walk, puppy. Go there. You can do it. You just need to walk to the ball. No, you don't walk? Just a little bit. Oh, come on. Go there. Please, please, please. Yes. Ah. Never mind. Well, I think it's fine for now. Let's see. Oh, good, very good. Yeah, he didn't take the ball, so it should be fine actually. I think. I hope. Let's consider that as a fix. But that was likely the issue. It's not just fun challenge. It's weird, but oh yeah, I want to try this one going out well with the fadeaway. Yeah, out of bounds. Okay, so I need to fix that. I need to fix the out of bound. He's holding ball, okay. And Is shooting, is not shooting. Okay, thank you very much. It should be fine normally. Yes, it's fine. Good. Okay, you can put it or not, doesn't matter. So I get the ball. Now I'm gonna do a fadeaway. Out of bound? Why? How come? Shooting motion? No, not shooting motion. It's... Which one is it? Shooting jump, okay. And when does it become false? Release state. Ah! I see. Shooting jump. Where is this one? Shooting jump, I don't care. Motion state, I don't care. Release, I don't care. Land. Landing state. Okay, he's in the air, so there's another jump. Shooting jump, floater jump. Oh yeah, I have to do all the stuff. True. In the air, true. Fine. Dunk. Using function, blah 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 blah. So Okay, so the one I was on is this one. Okay, I need to set it up for the jump as well. A rebound actually. Rebounding. He's jumping, yeah. What? Yeah, I was out of bounds. Landing, just to make sure. Touchdown, yeah, okay, so that's the point. Landing is like it's just his descending phase, okay. Ooh, touchdown. I think it's good now. Okay, fixed. Okay. No, it's not happening anymore. Yeah, but this one doesn't exist anymore. Okay. One character could not talk, a random crash. Yeah, okay, well, I'm not gonna read that. Try Starbucks when not connected to network. Okay, I have tons of bugs to fix it. Alright. Anyway, I think this version is good enough. So I will prepare the package. And share it today with internal testers. Yes, I think it's good enough. Fix out all the bounds, collision. Did I put it over there? I think so. Fade away. Fix. Fade away, yes. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do this. Yes, that's the version for .420 version, which is the next update, and I think it's fine. Let me think about, yeah, just that. Version 0.42.0. Yeah, I'll try a few things first, but should be fine. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm hungry already. It's been it's 10 o'clock now, so it's been 2 hours and a half. That's fine. Now I need to be even more focused and prepare the version to test so that I can submit it this weekend, even tomorrow night maybe. So thanks again for joining the stream. I'll post information about the content of the new version likely today, if not yeah, if not after the stream. And hopefully Google and Apple will approve the version pretty quick. So that's it for today. Thanks again for joining and see you next time. Bye bye.